I'm Tom for Waterwise Botanicals. You know, there are plenty of plants that you can find that lay low, that spread. And of course, you can find hundreds of plants that are just bushy bushes. But the holy grail of all plant forms are vertical lines. Boo! That's right, vertical lines in Pedilanthus macrocarpus. This is a succulent plant that comes from northern central Mexico, and it lives and thrives and grows in a desert environment. Sometimes its common name is also called lady slippers because of these beautiful red small flowers that grace the tops of the stems. Now the flowers start blooming in spring and continue to go from spring throughout summer and into fall. So not only do you get these beautiful vertical lines, but you also get the color of the flowers like little firecrackers on the tips. But all throughout coastal California, the inland valleys, and even up through the San Joaquin Valley, this is a fantastic plant because first of all, it's cold hardy down to the low 20s. And second of all, it thrives in heat, but also can be right up against the coast, well up to central California if it's by a reflected heat wall or stones or a nice south-facing exposure. Now it is kind of like a dry soil. You don't want it to be in a regular garden watering setting where it can be overwatered. But other than that, it's very easy to grow, very beautiful, and just think how these beautiful vertical lines will cast a shadow against walls or stones or boulders. It's just so structural and so great to have. So hard to find a plant that grows upright, stand like a man or a woman, and be proud. And that's Pedilanthus macrocarpus, sometimes called lady slippers, but we call it the desert pencil bush. I'm Tom for WaterwiseBotanicals.com.